out here. ATB Construction Services. We're building a rail. So this special project, it is a brick paver patio ATB built, and obviously there's the furniture because the family's enjoying it out here, but this was built in the shape that her husband built their old patio at their old house. She moved out to our area to be closer to her kids and stuff, and then she needed a patio. Maybe it's her husband. Let's get it on the work. So here we're installing a deck rail. The important part is to have a great base. Alex's base was square and level, so it's helping us out here with the deck installation. Deck rail. Couldn't find anybody to do this since it's in brick, but we're here. Here's a couple screws right here ready for you. So ATB's got power tools out. And if you're wondering about the lights, Light Up Your Life got to collab and install this one. Here in our town we got hit by a treacherous hailstorm, and the lights didn't get missed either. So ATB's installing this